Okay, so now we are on to our last hydroxyl structure, and that would be the phenol. Okay, and as a reminder, our phenol is an aromatic, so it is a benzene ring with an OH. When there are substituents, so let me back myself up here. So just as a reminder, that phenol is going to look like this. Okay, so if I have other substituents on here, again, that OH group is going to have the lowest carbon number. So in this particular example here, where I have a methyl group on here, that OH absolutely has to have the lowest locant value. I want that methyl group to have the lowest locant value possible. And so the name for this is going to be my phenol, and I have a methyl group on the second carbon. So this would be a 2-methyl phenol. Now I can use the special designation. And this is going to give me the 1,2 substituents on a phenol group is going to give me an O designation. So I could call this O. Oops, there I am writing with a highlighter again. O methyl phenol. All right, so I just want to do one more example. So again, I've got a phenol. I've got that OH on the benzene ring. Important to number this, right? So OH always gets the lowest locant value. So that means that my fluorine is on carbon number 4. So this is going to give me a 4 fluorophenol. If I am looking to name this using my special designation, if you remember these guys being directly across from each other, this is going to give us our P designation. So this would be a P fluorophenol.